Hello everyone, I would like to give a quick overview what's going on with the Linux on the desktop. So I'm using Fedora Workstation 42, just recently updated, and my ThinkPad has just enough memory for Gnome. I'm using Gnome and Wayland, so I like Gnome. I have all these controls, and also what we have in Gnome, we have controls for two displays, and we have printer. We have a multifunctional device, and I'm able to scan at least with two applications and print almost from any application. But mostly I use my laptop for learning German. So I have classes 5 times per week, and with Tengoda the classes are in Zoom, so I have Zoom desktop app for that. Yeah, so you can obviously launch Zoom as a web application, and I heavily use some other applications like Google Gmail, Google Keep, Google Docs, Google Translate. I also use Canva and some other apps. And I develop my own website. Obviously, it's not a desktop app, but I develop it using, it's a statically generated website using 11t. It's a Node.js app, so I have Node.js installed, and it's very convenient to push it, using Git to GitHub, so it's hosted on GitHub. And for Office applications, besides Google Docs, I have LibreOffice installed, and I have WPS Office. And that covers almost all my needs when I need to open, for example, Microsoft Office document. And then I have a standard GNOME application called Files, and here I have access to my Google Drive, so I can manipulate files here. I also have notifications from Google Calendar right in GNOME, and obviously I'm recording this screencast using OBS Studio. I also use VirtualBox. I have Windows here, Windows in the VirtualBox, and I use it to update my navigation device. It's a Garmin device, and Garmin uses Garmin Express program for updates. Sometimes I would edit videos in Shotcut, and sometimes I would edit podcasts in Reaper. It's a lot better from my viewpoint than Audacity, and it's the only application that I paid for. So it's really great to edit, convenient to edit podcasts. I'd like to show my workflow for 3D printing. So my daughter can draw a shape in Inkscape, save it as SVG. That's simply an egg, and I export is save it as DXF AutoCAD format, and after that I would use OnShape. I would import this shape and create a 3D form. It's for working with clay, and I can export this form from OnShape to 3MF format, and after that I would open PrusaSlicer and import this file, and I would slice it here, and then I'll be able to send it to my 3D printer Prusa Mini. So that's how it works. And the last but not the least, I could play Minecraft with my daughter. We could have a voice chat using Telegram desktop app. And by the way, Minecraft uses Java. This is Java from Oracle, so it works a little bit faster. Yeah, so I needed a little bit tweaking here and there, but for the most part it just works, and I'm really happy with this system. It's relatively stable. That's all for today. You are welcome to comment. Thank you. Goodbye.